Guys, and this is Showman, and I'm back a new video. In this video, I will discuss some and most important reason why your Geo4 account is showing less amount of data, or why the data is missing on your Geo4 account. So basically, this type of problem I was faced in many time, this type of problem that why the data is difference data showing on GA4 account, and why the is data is too less amount of data they are showing. So I've discussed the most four important reason that why this issue happening on your GA4 account. So first, then the most important that reason that is timing issue. It means GA4 can take 24 to 48 hours. Okay, GA4 can take 24 to 48 hours to process data from the website. Okay, so GA4 can take 24 to 48 hours to process the data from the website. So if you see this data, this is the previous past data behind 24 hours past data. Okay, you see this the behind 24 hours past data. Okay, the present data will not appear here because this data is now processing by GA4, and after 24 hours this data will appear here. Okay, this is the past and previous data behind 24 hours previous data, because GA4 can take 24 to 48 hours time to process and see the data and showing the data on the dashboard. Okay, so this is the most important reason that why your website data and GA4 data is not same. The second and most important that this the threshold applied. So what is the threshold applied, and how can you fix this? Actually, this video you can see on my YouTube channel, or you can see YouTube channel. You can see on this video, and after watching this video, you can fix this issue. So threshold applied means if you have a low user count in this specific date range. Okay, if you have a low user count in the specific date range, then the threshold is applied on your Google Analytics 4. Okay, so if your report or expression is missing data, it may be because Google Analytics has applied a data threshold, and it only happens if you have a low user count in the specific date range, then the threshold will apply on your GA4 account. Okay, the third and most important way, that third party cookie block. Third party cookie block means as a GDPR rules has changed some data policy. Okay, rules as a GDPR has changed some rules for data policy. Okay, like now in the many browser like Safari or many browser or ad blocker. So by this they are not sent any user data through third party cookie. Okay, now in the many browser like Safari or many browser is not sent third party cookie, is not sent the data through third party cookie. Okay, the data will send through cookie, but now in the as a GDPR rules, many browser not sending the data through third party cookie. Okay, to third party marketing channel like Google, Facebook. So for this case, you need to send data through first party cookie. Okay, because third party cookie is blocking by browser. So you need to set up. You need to send the user data through first party cookie. Okay, you need to send the user data through first party cookie, because third party cookie is blocked by browser. Okay, so you need to set up server side tracking, and then set up first party cookie domain on your server, and also set up server container on your Google Tag Manager. Then the data proper data will be sent. Okay, this is the most and vertical reason that third party cookie blocking. Okay, this is the most and vertical reason. So the number four reason, so here in this image you can see that this is the website and this is the direct traffic, and this is the traffic through server. Okay, so it is the setup server side traffic, and this traffic is coming through a server, is not directly, because first party cookie is third party cookie is blocked by browser. So it's not directly, they have set up first party cookie domain, and after set up first party cookie domain, this data is coming through server. Okay, so this is the server side tracking. So you need to set up this tracking. Okay, also you know that Apple or mm, iPhone user also applied these rules that you can track any Apple users data, because they also follow the same rules. So in this case you need to server side tracking setup to get proper data. Okay, so this is the more vertical part, that why server side tracking is important. So I will you can contact me for this setup. Okay, so the for reason, that's cookie consent banner. Okay, cookie consent banners means a cookie consent banner is a cookie notification that is displayed on website and other apps in the form of a banner or pop-up upon the user visit, that explicitly asks for users consent before displaying cookie. So cookie consent banner is a banner that is displaying after loading your website, and this banner is asking the user that you want to send your data or not. If the user click yes, then the user data is sent the marketing channel, and if this user click sorry, if the user click yes, then the data is sent the marketing channel, and if the user click not, then data will not send any marketing channel. So this is the very important, and that cookie consent banner. So there actually cookie consent banner only most of EU country or European country that is having cookie consent banner. Okay, so there I discuss for reason that why your data is showing too less, and why your data is missing on your Google Analytics 4 account. So there I discuss for reason. Okay, so if you have facing, if you have faced this type of issue, you can contact me, and I will set up this properly. And after setup you can see the proper data on your Google Analytics 4 account. So you can contact me, and I will set up properly. Okay, so thanks for watching this video.